What are you doing? What are you doing with the tree?
Jonah. Jonah, what are you doing with the tree? Huh? What are you doing with the tree? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing with the apple tree? Are you shaking out the apples? Are you shaking out the apples?
Look over here.
Are you shaking out the apples? Jonah! Are you waving at the apple tree?
He's like, hold it on both hands. You gonna climb? Are you still taking a video?
What are you doing? At the tree?
I think that's good.